Hello everybody, my name is Kiro and today I'm here with my fiance. Say hello.
Hello!
And he's here because today we are going to open this Steam Siege pack together. And to make it a little more fun, we're going to make a game out of it. Where we're going to see who gets the best pull.
Yeah, just to have fun with, just so we don't open booster packs just for you guys, just so we can make some fun out of it too. Yeah, basically.
So yeah.
And Steam Siege is the last X and Y boosters you can get.
Yeah, that's true. So I think we'll look a little bit at the package first. So it's, as you can see, it's a Steam Siege package, and there is an awesome barcode down here. It has 36 boosters inside, and we're gonna split them up between us with 18 each, and then we're going to see who gets the best pull.
Yeah.
I think I will.
Nope.
So without further ado, we're going to open this.
Yes, do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Done. So now we can get going with this. Yeah.
So we're just gonna take the first package and open it.
Oh, I'm going to destroy this pack. No, I did it. I did it. I did it.
Remember, free from the back.
Free from the back to the front. Okay, I got Steelix Spirit Link.
Got Monferno.
Duat.
Swellios.
Havalucha.
Nidorino.
Shellos.
Tangela.
Rufflet.
Croagunk.
Chimchar.
Shillas.
Dino.
Mangy.
Tangela.
Apom.
Greedy Dice. Reverse Hollow.
Pokemon Ranger. Reversed Hollow. And
Volcanion. No.
Primate.
Volcanion. I win.
Yeah, you do. At least this
Yeah.
one we don't have. That's a good thing. But we don't have that one.
We don't have that on. I win this.
Damn it!
But it's not a hollow or anything.
Oh, but it's still good.
Perfect.
Let me just put that there. Next
Next
package
package.
is actually easier if you just,
Yeah, I know. But I got sausage fingers. Animal sausage. Here is a code for you. Don't know if you can see this. Yes. Wait with that.
I'm just gonna throw it.
Yeah, throw it on the floor so we can see what's taken and what's not. Okay, you first.
I got a Braviary,
Greedy Dice.
Nuzleaf,
Swellios.
Rapidash,
Ninja Boy.
Tangela,
Switchling.
Croagunk,
Fledgling. Yanma.
Chillas,
Meryl.
Mankey,
Sneasel.
Apom, Reversed Hollow Reversed Hollow Mariap.
Reverse Hollow Oshawott.
Oh.
And then, yes, Hollow Exernius.
Hollow.
Oh! Hollow
Oh
Exernius.
shit! That's actually the two.
Battle. Yeah.
They're actually the two.
So who wins? You do. You got damage first.
Yeah, let's say that.
Yeah, we say that you win this. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get some sleeves.
Oh yeah, get the sleeves.
Get the sleeves.
The sleeves are in there. Take the blue. I love the blues.
Imagine if we got the sleeves.
Oh, wouldn't that be a predicament?
Gonna put the sleeves right. Only the blue ones, right?
Only
Blue
the blue.
sleeves.
Oh, I'm gonna go get out of those.
Oh, we're gonna get out of whites. Oh, yeah, and blues, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
And reversed in. So we can check the whole card. Perfect.
And there. That's a good one. That was an okay one. But I
Just put them like this so you can see.
I really want those break cards now.
Oh, wait. There we have it. Hollow Exernius.
And here, Hollow Veltal.
Erveltal.
Veltal.
Erveltal.
Oh, wow. You can see why we chose each other. I love you.
Well, I do too. Love me.
Such an asshole.
Yeah, I got all of them out. Code away. Wanna give a code away?
I'm
no.
gonna wait.
Wait for the next code. Go. I'm
That's
gonna
a
start.
lie.
Anorith.
Ambipom. You
No.
can choose.
Clawfossil. Anorith.
Pokemon Ranger.
Nuzleaf.
Drifblim.
Krogunk.
Drifloon.
Oshawott.
Seedot.
Meryl.
Sneasel.
Ponyta.
Oshawott.
Lidwick.
Fletchling.
Oh. Reverse Hollow Spirit Tomb. Spirit
Reverse Hollow Nuzleaf.
And then
And then.
Yanmega.
Mega
Oh.
Gardevoir.
Mega Gardevoir.
EX.
Mega Gardevoir
Ooh,
EX.
I won that one.
Oh, yeah. You did. What's mine? That was Yanmega. Spirit Bomb. Still beautiful.
We can count upon slaying them there. We can count upon slaying them there so we can see who gets the best pull.
That's the Mega Gardevoir.
EX.
EX. And with that, next
Next one.
one on the business. Oh, damn it. This package is fucked up. Ah!
Get out.
Get out! Wait, with the code. From the back. Wait, I got. Ah, there it is. Fly away. Perfect. Okay. You start.
Fluffy.
Drifblim. Blim.
Drifloon.
Drifblim. Blim is Blim.
Persian.
Captive Pokepop. The captivating Pokepop. Can I?
A Sumaril.
Ooh, dual type.
Dual type.
Tangrowth.
Larvester.
Nidoran.
Ooh. Meow.
Nose Pass.
Mantine.
Hop hop.
Marie.
Meow.
Myanmar.
Clawjaw.
Reverse Hollow Cobalion.
Ooh, oh, that's a shame. It's not a hollow. No, that doesn't matter. You may get it hollow, right? No. Reverse hollow AB Palm, and then Mega Gardevoir EX, and it's a full art.
It is?
Yeah, look. Full art. And it's golden. You can see the the golden lines around it. It's a golden full art Mega Gardevoir EX. Yeah. Got that in the collection. Whoop.
I just got a regular Gastrodon.
Well, we still need the secret rares.
And
some.
breaks.
I think we already had one full art, right? Trainer full art.
Oh
in the
yeah, we
collection.
only got one full. And
Yeah,
I pulled
from
that
Steam.
one.
Yeah, you
I
did. Yeah, you pulled
a lot
that
of
one.
good ones.
You pulled that one. That's great.
Well, now we're even, as you can see.
People may think, what is he doing to the pack? Flopping it. He's gonna ruin the card.
No.
Well, I might not.
No one will know.
Free from the back to the front. God, you start. Nay, I start this time, right?
Yeah, you start.
Gardevoir, Spirit
Monferno.
Klefki,
Fluffy.
Greedy Dice.
I'm a
Greedy Dice.
I'm a fossil Shogun.
Jontic.
Drifloon.
Sorry, I'm just gonna do this.
Drifloon.
Fungus.
Seedot.
Desart.
These
nuts.
No, not
These
these
nuts.
nuts.
Bergmine.
Sneasel.
Neithel. Marip.
Oshawott.
Clink.
Flickling.
Seedot Reversed Hollow.
Reversed Hollow Hobbit.
And then Hollow Shift Tree.
Oh, now we got the
Dual.
dual. Yeah,
No.
because we just got Seedot.
No, and this
Nuzleaf.
one. Don't we have it in the collection?
No, we don't have it in our collection.
I got a heart. What did you get?
Nothing.
Wasn't it even a hollow?
No.
Then I win again.
Isn't that
Sad.
It is sad. But just you wait until all those.
Cedar, Clink, Mara, and what was this? Greasy Dice?
There's also going to be a lot to the
Yeah.
sun. It's gonna get a lot.
Yeah.
That's a
He's
good
gonna-
one. I love that one. I have that in my deck.
No, on the TCG
Yeah,
online?
just
Yeah.
not that version, but the other one. Whenever I get that one, everybody just dies.
Die.
You die. It's kind of like the Reaper.
The Reaper from Overwatch, yeah. Reaper from the Vector front. Your turn to start. Oh, you can get this in the full art.
You can?
Yeah, Pokemon Ranger.
Ooh. D-Word.
Pokemon Ranger, of course.
Fletchlinger.
Fletchinder.
Fletchinder.
Flap. Yeah.
Sheldon. Swappy. Chimchar.
Yes.
Bergmite.
Rufflet. Stupid bird.
Clauncher.
Chimchar.
Seedot.
Dano.
No pass.
Tangela.
Reverse Hollow Flappy.
Reverse Hollow Probopass.
And
Dual. Ja, jeg fik en dual type igen.
uh,
Galvantula. And yours are not you know?
nothing. So I think you
Two
will.
rares? No, wait. It had. Feel it. Feel this. It almost feels thinner than this one.
Yeah, it actually does.
Yeah.
But
And
it's
it looks a bit thinner. It looks dark here and bright here. On this side.
But they are.
It might be legit.
They
It's
might.
a legit pack nonetheless. But well, nothing good in this box, but I win this one.
Yes.
How do we count the wins when there are no?
I think should we just only count the good ones?
Yeah,
in the pool?
yeah, I think.
And you still won over me. So.
One over you. Full art I got.
But the last one we got, I got 2 over you.
Yeah, but I'm. Yeah. You're winning, little.
Mother?
No.
I'm not a mother. My mom says so. My mom loves me.
I'm not gonna get it right now. And please tell us in the comments if you took the code, just in case someone else is trying.
to get it.
Yeah, and it's already taken. That would be a shame.
It
And
would-
tell us what you get.
Actually, yeah, because maybe we might not even get breaks in this one.
Oh
Sure.
yeah, the breaks. I just forgot those. No. Well, skip room.
Special charge.
Armor Fossil Sheldon.
Tank growth.
Braviary. Yeah.
Hablucha.
Havlucha. Seedot.
Lidlow.
Pawniard.
Dino.
Oh, Dino. Drifloon.
Hoppip.
Lavesta.
Litwick.
Apom.
Meow.
Meryl.
Shellas.
Best deal. Oh, that was a reverse hollow. I didn't see that.
You didn't see it. Papa.
Yeah, but I win.
Jump bluff.
Jump up. No, well, that's a rare, but not as good as Bastion.
Bastion.
Yeah. Bastion. That's the winning card.
That's freaking damn it. Yeah. Wow, all the breaks in this pack.
They might be coming now. But I still need some EXs.
We do.
Especially some full arts. Please get some full arts out of this. Not going to destroy the pack. No,
Nah.
not you. How many did you give away? One?
1.
1, 2.
Next one I'll give away.
Am I? Is it me? I mean, Danish words not allowed.
No, it's me actually.
Okay.
Driftblim.
Avipon.
Swallows.
Lampert.
Claw Fossil Anorith.
Shiny Azumarill.
Is it shiny?
Yeah, because he's not yellow.
Oh,
So-
I didn't see that.
And he's a dual type, of course.
Oh.
But he's shiny, yeah.
He's shiny.
Look at that.
Lavastar.
Krogunk.
Meow.
Oshawa.
Mantine.
Meryl.
Oh. Mareep.
Punta.
Yanma.
Ledwig.
Break!
Oh, break. Which one? No, it's the Hydreigon.
Yeah.
Oh, that might be better in my last.
And what is my last?
I got Skiploom, by the way.
Uh,
But I got Volcarona, dual tie.
so does that?
Yeah, that's the winning card.
It is.
Yes, that's the winning card.
Mahaha, now we even again. Mahaha. So now we even again.
Yeah, we even. Well, that's still a beautiful full art.
It's actually fun if you look at it. You can
Both Mega Gardevoirs in the set. Both.
That's awesome.
That's the only one. Yeah, Mega Gardevoirs, by the way. We might even still need the Gardevoir EXs. Full art and normal EX.
Yeah, that's true. Well.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that?
No. No, wait. There. Yes, cool. Make it fly. Or don't.
And fell and from such a short distance.
Oh, what's happening here?
Did you see that?
No, look at this. Error. Nah, it's not an error booster. It's not an error booster.
So
You cannot get behind when you buy a whole box. One may be the first card reversed.
Yeah.
Or the
it
last
has
one.
to.
Okay. Is it me?
Yeah, you see.
Special charge.
Skip on.
Rapidash.
Captivating Pokepuff.
Persian.
Clang.
Joltik.
Ponyta.
Fungus.
Rafflet.
Bergmite.
Larvestor.
Marip.
Joltik.
Clink.
Tankla.
Reverse Hollow Bergmite.
Reverse Hollow Drifblim.
And then. Yeah, Nidoking.
Oh, but we don't have Nidoking, so that's awesome. And I got Dusgon.
Oh, then that's the same art.
It is.
Yeah, look at it.
Which
It got some drawing art.
I think
Cheerios.
mine's
And that got the drawing
and,
art too.
and they're both rare, I think.
Yeah, they're both rare.
So,
I got an ability. Did you get that?
Yeah, I
No,
wish-
not an ability.
No, I don't.
No.
So maybe you win.
It takes to 2 more to your opponent's active Pokemon.
No.
No, so we still can call it a draw. I just wanna. Well, it's a beautiful artwork.
It is, and I don't think we have it.
Nope.
We're still collecting, or I don't know. Yeah, we're both collecting.
Look at this. Every time booster box is open, we get a full big stack of cards.
And half of them is going to Sam.
Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna give you the fault because of me going into Pokemon again. That's her fault.
It's not.
Yo, it's your fault, and don't be embarrassed about it. I think it's good.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Good. Okay.
So now it's my turn.
Yes.
So we have Swallows.
Is that the name? It's Swellius. It's Swalo?
Swallows.
You're right, I'm wrong. Hello, Jack.
Nidorino.
Epipalm.
Everypalm.
Rapidash.
Yanmao. Ritter. Mankey.
Nosepass.
You have to put first because I'm saying the name. I'm the first one.
No, you just say it. Oh, I see that. Okay, cool.
You're getting it wrong. That time. Oh,
Sorry. We do this. Chimchar.
Sneasel.
Meow.
Hoppip.
Hoppip. Reverse
Reverse
Hollow.
Reverse Total Blitzler.
Frishinda. Reverse Hollow Joltik. And I have Cloveter.
Weevil.
Oh, what are we going to call it, a draw again? Yeah.
Yeah.
Draw.
Yeah. Just need to count. We already halfway through.
Halfway through?
And we only pulled one break.
Yeah, and one full art. So if we're halfway, we may open some more. Full art, maybe?
But maybe they say something about the good ones being in the bag. So that's why I buy the cards. Always take the bad ones.
Yeah. Maybe if people didn't do that already.
Yeah, I might have. So
It's me.
It's you.
Captivating Pokepuff.
Groudon,
Tangrowth,
Steelix, Spirit Link,
Pokemon Ranger and not the full art,
Ewart,
Joltik,
Seedot,
Bergmar,
Ponyo,
Fungus,
Drifloon,
Mankey,
Lavester,
Shellos,
Apom.
Reversed Holo Hydreigon,
Oh yeah, I see that. Oh, I'm one back. Tangela, Reverse Hollow.
Holo What? Oh, you win this! I got a Hydreigon and then Hydreigon Holo.
Oh, but I win.
Hello. Show it.
Hollow. Oh, I'm so bad at saying Magiana.
Magiana, yeah. Hey, wait a second. That's the full art golden you got. That's not just the EX.
Oh,
Why did you see that?
but that's so hard to see because she's down in the. Yeah.
Another full art, 2 full arts. We need 2 more, I think. 2 more? No, yeah, the Volcanion full art and the Steelix full art, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know how many it was. 5,
we
6?
need a lot of breaks.
Yeah. I want the full arts nonetheless. It's a good pack already. A box, 2 full arts.
It is.
Yeah, that was a good.
No, it is too cool.
And a lot of hollows.
And I like the.
And only one normal mega. All the rest are full arts. The last one must be the bad ones.
I was so close on picking it up.
Yeah, but the last booster must be the bad ones then. I think.
It might be the good ones.
Maybe or maybe not.
Oh, I think.
Did you break it?
No.
Okay.
I just didn't do it right.
No. Not yet, not yet. I'm going to give it the code, but not yet, not yet.
Not.
Good. Pokemon Ranger? No, it's your turn.
Hablucha.
Pokemon Ranger, not the full art.
Arnore.
Dorino,
Clawfossil.
Monferno,
Yangma.
Ludwig,
Mankey.
Marip.
Oh, I spit on it, sorry. Mantine.
Croagunk,
Sneasel.
Tangela,
Puppy.
Rufflet,
Reversed Hollow Bastion.
Reversed Holo Yanma. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Draw! Damn it. Well, we got some insane pulls already, I think.
But I need a more break.
More breaks.
Else it wasn't the trip worthy.
Yeah, it was a long trip to get these.
Yeah, because I fucked it up. But you're gonna hear more about that in another video I'm going to do.
And another video, guys.
Another time.
Gonna get the code now. 1 second. Got it? Yeah, they got it.
Superbio.
What?
Superb.
Alright. I'm the first one.
Yeah.
Fletchinder!
Persian.
Fluffy or shiny.
Sumail.
8B Paul.
Ewart.
They know.
Fletchling.
Lavista.
Clonjar.
Apom.
Nidoran.
Diffloom.
Chimchar.
Marip.
North Path. Brave!
Another one?
Talon Flame Brave!
Oh, I might beat that one. Or you might beat it yourself with the last. Okay, I got reverse Holo Fletchinder. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh!
Well, you won that. You won that, and that's fine with me. Now you're in the lead.
I am. Did you see if it was in focus when we does it up here?
Just need to do this.
Oh yeah.
Break. Talon Flame. I was about to say Fletchinder.
No, but I mean, are we in focus when we stand here?
Yeah, that's okay. That's in focus.
Okay.
Or as much focus as it can be. The Squagus! Oh, what? I'm gonna fuck this up. I'm gonna fuck this up. You are fucking dead up. Can you get in the cam? Oh, did you do it?
Oh, yeah.
That was not a pleasant sound for other people, I think.
Only you. Only you.
Yeah,
Should I
okay.
give the code?
Well, you already give 2.
Yeah, but
It's your codes.
no. Maybe later. We need you to have you to look through the whole video. There might be more. There might
Oh, did I do it right? I think I did it right. Okay. Yeah, it's your turn.
Nuzleaf,
Rapidash,
Gardevoir, Spirit Wave,
Persian. I may be giving a code away. I think.
Klefki.
Did I say Shieldon?
No.
2?
3.
You are in front of me now, and I was the one to say.
No, it was me.
No, it was me.
It was me.
It's Wario. Sorry. God damn.
And I'm the sick one. I shouldn't be remembering stuff like that. So,
Well, I got you that. Yes.
Flesling,
Nidoran.
Clauncher,
Nose pass.
Nidoran,
Hoppip.
Chimchar,
Meow.
Nose Pass,
Concha.
Reverse Tolo
Reverse
Nidoran.
on Nidoran. And then, I don't want to look. Magiana
Oh,
EX.
Jesus!
Oh, now we got both of Magianas.
Yeah.
And the Steelix EX we already have.
Yeah, that I pulled. Oh, now we are out of
Oh.
sleeves.
Are we out of sleeve already? Wait a second. I know where there are some. I know.
But I'm still over you.
Yeah. That Steelix didn't count.
It does
Yeah, it
count.
does count. Right? It does count. I hope we have enough here. Enough. Blues. Got a green one here and 3 whites. That's okay pull so far.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah. We still
And we are
I
one
forgot
quarter
to
away.
show.
Oh yeah. Showy. No, right there. Yes.
We already got that one, so I think his son is gonna get it.
Yeah.
He doesn't have it, and he'll be like,
Magiana.
"Oh, Daddy, you gave me that one. You're the
Oh,
best."
Kiddo, you gave me that one.
Daddy,
Kiddo.
Daddy.
You're going to give it to him because you pulled it.
Were you gonna give the code away now?
I just gave one away.
You did?
Yeah, I got 2.
Then I'm gonna wait a little.
Do you want to give this away?
What's that one?
I'm gonna get some.
Give it out in the end.
In the end,
In the end.
it's a special code, guys.
You're gonna love it.
You're gonna love it.
You
Gonna
have to
love it.
love it.
I'm not going to say anything what it is, but it may be something newish. You might just hang in there and wait and see what it is. Oh, yeah. One moment. Just let it stay there. Okay, remember back to the front and boom. It's my turn now.
It's Nate.
Nuzleaf. Life
Nuzlinger?
is life. It's Danish man name. Boy's name. Braviary.
Sheldon.
Armor Fossil Sheldon.
Special Charge.
Joltik.
Litwick.
Perkmite.
Dino.
Fungus.
Ponyta.
Stop. 5.
5.
Fungus.
Ponyta.
Mankey.
Marrow.
Shellos.
Little O.
Pyrora Break.
Oh!
And we
I
don't have-
have to pull something good to beat that.
1. Oh, but if I pull
Reverse
a full art now, we.
Reverse Talo. Ooh. Reverse.
Ah.
Ah!
You got it, no! You got it! I want it! Oh, damn it, man!
Wild Canyon EX.
Full art.
Full art. It is full art.
Cernius. Yes, it's a full art.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
baby.
It's definitely a full art, but not the golden lines like Mega Gardevoir or full art Megaana EX. But it's the special one.
It is the special. It has
Yeah.
a golden.
Yeah, it's a secret rare.
Is the secret word? Ha ha ha.
100
ha.
yeah.
But
How many secrets did we get in this time?
I don't know.
Didn't we get one already? Secret rare? No, we haven't got any. That's the first secret rare we got.
Yeah, baby.
This one is neither 112 or 114. What about this one? 110, 114. 114. Okay. I just thought we got one.
Maybe it's from.
Oh, how many did you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm leaving.
Yeah, you're leading and you might win this.
Yeah.
But I got Pyrora, Break card, if you didn't see that. Disco.
So now we got 3. Now this is so maybe it is that the good ones are in the back.
They were in the whole pack from the start to now, I think. No bad ones. Oh, you got the full art. That's so important. 1, 2, 3. It's better than the Fates Collide.
It is?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, we never showed that one. We also last month we bought a full booster box of Fates Collide and opened it with his brother, and had some fun with it.
Yeah.
We pulled a lot of.
He got some.
He got the best one.
Yeah.
He may be better.
The best, maybe the best. I don't think it was the best. He got the full art Mega like a Sam.
Yeah.
EX.
He did.
Yeah, he did. Shove it in my face, he said.
Oh Jesus, and the cast. There, can you see it?
Are you giving one away?
Yeah, I'm giving one away. Can you see it?
No, wait a second, wait. Don't like this, so they got it. Flying like a phoenix. You start.
Yeah, I'll start. I got a greedy dice.
Lampert.
Ski blue.
Hollow Azurill.
No, it's not hollow. It's just
Shiny Azumarill.
I'm a fossil Sheldon.
I'm a motherfucking gentleman.
Da da da.
Special charge.
Ludwig.
Fletchling.
Dino.
Yanma.
Ponyta. Meryl.
Sneasel.
Litleo. 2 seconds.
7. I got 7 too. Litleo. And then
reversed hollow Rufflet.
Hollow Chandelier.
Oh, you want that one.
I want that one. Chandelier.
From the chandelier. Oh, sorry guys. If a cough a lot, it's because I'm sick.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No.
I'm catching up. Well, you still got the most out of the best ones, but
I do.
Yeah, you got that one. You only have 1 hollow. I got 1, 2, 3 hollows.
Yeah, and I got.
You only got 1? 1 hollow? Yes.
Yeah, and I got 2 breaks. And
oh, I'm lying. You got 2.
No, I got
1 hollow. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 hollows.
Oh.
I pulled
and
all
I
the
got
hollows.
2 breaks and EXs.
Yeah. I thought I saw a hollow in this box when I opened it.
That was just the last one.
Second to last.
Second to last. So I'm not
I'm gonna give the code away now.
You're gonna get the code away. I'm gonna keep this one.
Yeah. But you already give 3 away, and I'm only giving 2 away. So I'm gonna give 1 away again.
Yeah.
And still, we got a special code last. Of course.
Oh, be careful.
And here we got it, guys. Yes. Make it fly, make it fly, make it fly. Three from back to the fall. Front, ikke forth.
So it's me who's gonna start this time, or is it you?
It's me.
It's you.
Klefki.
Tangrowth.
Gardevoir Spurling may be a sign.
Hablucha.
D-What?
Ski Blue.
Dino.
Rufflet.
Lavastar. Avon.
Ponyard.
Drifloon.
Jeltic.
Marip.
Kling.
Reverse Hollow Braviary.
Vestal Litleo.
Hollow.
Hello!
Bishop.
Emperor.
Ampharos. Well, even if it's both hollow, mine is dual type, but you are still Ampharos. Ampharos is a cool Pokemon.
It is.
Bishop, here you see it. And there it goes.
And here. Can you see it?
Down, down, down. Yes.
Where?
Okay, I'm gonna take this away and put. Oh, they can almost not see this one. Well, that doesn't matter. You know what it is? We're gonna make a. What is it called? A rewind? No, not a rewind.
Oh, let's shake it up a little.
What is it?
A recap.
Recap. I'm gonna show you all the cards. Last.
You bastard. Should I blow yours?
No, thank you. Not.
Why? Oh, you! You're such a pal.
Don't say anything else. There might be children watching.
The pants are still.
What are you doing? Whoa, I didn't see that. I saw that.
Oh no!
I saw that. Oh damn it! Why did I fail that so much? Well,
So you know, you're gonna get something good. I see. Braviary,
Special charge.
Clank,
Clank.
Ninja Boy,
Steve Experiling.
Rufflet,
Oshawott.
Fungus,
Connor.
Pomnion,
Fonita.
Joltik,
Clink.
Clink,
Mantine. Reversed Hollow.
Krogan.
Litwick. And then Among Us.
Have a look. Normal.
That was that.
That was it.
I think you got the best cards. I'm not going to discuss that. Well, I got start from the top. I got Bishop as the last.
You can
Wait.
just take yours first.
No, it's your turn.
I got Amphios,
Amphros.
Ampharos.
Yes. Chandelure.
Got Volcanion EX.
Full art.
Vlad.
I got Pyrora Break. Wait,
I also forgot to say it's a secret rare.
it's a secret. That's the only secret rare we got. We didn't get all of them in one booster. Books.
I got a Steelix EX.
Yes. I got Magiana EX.
I got Talonflame Break.
Yeah. I got the Hydreigon Hollow.
Got the Magiana EX.
Kinda
I can't do it.
Like like so. Yes, full art.
Full
Golden.
art. Gold.
I got Shiftry.
Hello.
Hollow, of course.
Hydreigon Break.
Yeah. I got full of Mega Gardevoir EX. Golden.
Got the Mega Gardevoir EX. Regular. What do you call it?
Bare Mega Gardevoir EX, yeah.
Just
And Xerneas Hollow.
Yveltal. Hello.
So that was that.
So you can leave a comment down if you to say who you think got the best pull of us.
Well, everybody's going to say you got the best pull because of this one. Full art Mega EX
Magiana.
Golden, what you say? And you got the Volcanion
Yeah, maybe-
EX Full Art
Which is a secret.
Secret Rare, yeah.
So maybe yeah, I got the best pull, but they might like what you got. So you can leave a comment saying if you like this more than mine, and tell us who is the best one of getting the pulls. So yeah, well that's all. Oh, the code.
Oh, the code, we almost forgot. Shall I show it to them?
Yips.
Well, guys, I'm not going to show what code it is.
You can see when you put it in.
Yeah, you can see when you put it in, and
The one.
the one that takes it and got it, please leave a comment, tell you what you got, and write in the comments what code it was from which booster. Here it is. I'm gonna do, and I think you got it. Did you get it? Did you get it?
They can freeze it.
Freeze it, like Freezer from Dragon Ball.
Oh.
Hold your finger. Hold your finger.
There
Wait, there. They got it. They got it.
you go. And that was showing it, didn't we? Oh.
Yep.
So yeah, that's all we have for this time. So leave a comment, subscribe if you want to, and I will also leave my Pokemon TCG name down as always, and maybe
And
also
I'm going to leave mine as well.
exactly because you play.
I play.
And yeah, we can also leave to my Tumblr and Twitter
Which is going to be in the description.
description.
Yeah.
And also you can go and watch the other videos that I've done so
You
far.
can watch this one right here. This one right here. Yes, you can watch this where the card is right there. You can watch that video if you want.
Or else you can go and watch my fiance, whose name is Jens. You can go and watch his videos. He does gameplay, which he does on the same channel as, on this channel also, because we share it.
Yes.
Like a good couple should do.
Yeah, we share everything, but you take it all.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Until next time.
See you. Bye bye. Have a good time.
Bye.
Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.